6 common types of health problems associated with your colon or large intestine. Your colon, also known as the large intestine, is part of your digestive system. After food has been broken down in the stomach and absorbed in the small intestine, indigestible food matter is passed through the colon. The colon is responsible for absorbing any leftover water, salts, and vitamins from food matter and condensing it into fecal matter. The fecal matter is then passed from the sigmoid colon into the rectum, where it's held before being excreted as waste. It's a long, hollow tube at the end of your digestive tract where your body makes and stores stool. Many disorders affect the colon's ability to work properly. Some of these include 1. Colon constipation. 2. Colon diarrhea. 3. Colon irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. 4. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. 5. Colon polyps. 6. Colon cancer. Treatment for colonic diseases varies greatly depending on the disease and its severity. Treatment usually involves diet, medicines, and in some cases, surgery. Symptoms of colon disorders typically include abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating, cramping, fatigue. The colon is prone to inflammation and inflammatory disorders that can be triggered by diet, stress, lifestyle, medications. Let us briefly talk about each one of these colon disorders one at a time. 1. Colon constipation. Constipation occurs when your bowel movements become less frequent and stools become difficult to pass. Number 1 cause of colon constipation is low fiber intake. Solutions to restore your system is to increase fiber intake with fruits, vegetables, and grains such as psyllium husk, prunes, flax seeds, and beans. Second cause of colon constipation is inadequate fluid intake. Solutions to restore your system is to drink plenty of water and other fluids such as water, herbal teas. Third cause of colon constipation is sedentary lifestyle. Solutions to restore your system is to engage in regular physical activity such as regular exercise. Fourth cause of colon constipation is certain medications such as opioid pain medications. Solutions to restore your system is to discuss alternatives with healthcare provider on use of stool softeners, laxatives. Fifth causes of colon constipation is ignoring the urge to have a bowel movement. Solutions to restore your system is to listen to body cues and respond promptly such as establishing a regular restroom routine. 2. Colon diarrhea. Several loose, watery, and possibly more frequent stools or bowel movements is a common problem. It may be present alone or be associated with other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, or weight loss. Number 1 causes of colon diarrhea is viral or bacterial infections. Solutions to restore your system is to stay hydrated and rest if due to infections with electrolyte drinks, bananas, plain rice, applesauce. Second cause of colon diarrhea is food poisoning or contaminated food. Solutions to restore your system is to avoid consuming risky or undercooked foods, instead take clear liquids, plain crackers, boiled potatoes. Third cause of colon diarrhea is medication side effects. Solutions to restore your system is to consult healthcare provider if medication related. Medication adjustments as advised by your doctor. Fourth cause of colon diarrhea is food intolerances or allergies. Solutions to restore your system is to identify food that triggers bowel reaction and avoid those foods. 3. Colon irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or pain in your abdomen, often related to your bowel movements and changes in your bowel movements. Number 1 cause of colon irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is gut dysbiosis or imbalance. Solutions to restore your system is to consume probiotics or make dietary changes, stress management with taking probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Second cause of colon irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is food sensitivities. Solutions to restore your system is to eliminate diets that trigger bowel reactions such as low FODMAP diet, avoiding trigger foods. Third cause of colon irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is genetics or family history. Solutions to restore your system is to engage in relaxation techniques, counseling, mindfulness with the help of meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises. For inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, is a term for two colon conditions, Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, that are characterized by chronic inflammation of the gastrointestinal (GI) tract. Prolonged inflammation results in damage to the GI tract. What are the common symptoms of IBD? They are persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain, rectal bleeding, bloody stools, weight loss, fatigue. Number 1 cause of colon inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, is genetics or family history. Solutions to restore your system is to engage in regular medical follow-ups, medication management, and also eat anti-inflammatory foods such as fish, leafy greens, turmeric. Types of common medications to treat IBD are 5-aminosalicylic acids, immunomodulators, corticosteroids, biologics. Now let's talk briefly about the two colon inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Both Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis conditions are inflammatory bowel diseases, IBD, that are characterized by chronic inflammation of the gastrointestinal (GI) tract. Prolonged inflammation results in damage to the GI tract. Number 1 cause of colon Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis is autoimmune response. Solutions to restore your system is to consume anti-inflammatory drugs, immunosuppressants such as omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil, chia seeds, and walnuts. Second cause of colon, Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis is dysregulated immune system. Solutions to restore your system is to use immune-modulating therapies or biologic medications that have aloe vera, licorice root, or something similar. 5. Colon polyps. Colon polyps are growths on the lining of your colon or large intestine, part of your digestive tract. Most of them aren't harmful, but some can turn into colon cancer over time. For that reason, your doctor needs to take out any colon polyps you have. Number 1 cause of colon polyps is family history of polyps or colon cancer usually happens adults, especially around age 50. Solutions to restore your system is to regularly use screenings based on risk factors and medical history, and such foods such as turmeric, garlic, green tea can help. Second cause of colon polyps is personal history of polyps or colon cancer. Solutions to restore your system is to conduct regular follow-ups and screenings as recommended by your healthcare provider, and certain foods such as cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and other similar vegetables can help. 6. Colon cancer. Colon cancer typically affects older adults, though it can happen at any age. It usually begins as small, non-cancerous, benign clumps of cells called polyps that form on the inside of the colon. Over time, some of these polyps can become colon cancers. Number 1 cause of colon cancer is family history of polyps or colon cancer usually at age 50. Solutions to restore your system is to regularly use screenings based on risk factors and medical history, and eat foods such as garlic, onions, green leafy vegetables plus antioxidant-rich foods like berries, tomatoes, and nuts can help. Second cause of colon cancer is unhealthy diet and lifestyle choices. Solutions to restore your system is to have a balanced diet, regular exercise, avoid smoking plus eating folate-rich foods such as asparagus, lentils, and oranges. In conclusion, your diet and lifestyle significantly impact your digestive health. Choosing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fiber, while minimizing alcohol, cigarettes, caffeine, and processed foods can greatly improve colon pain symptoms. Regular screening, starting at age 50, is essential for preventing colorectal cancer. Don't hesitate to consult your doctor and take proactive steps to maintain your colon health for a longer, healthier life. From diet to wellness, we wish you watching this video a longer and healthier life ahead.
Also important, check the description of this video below. We have included important reference materials and related links on this subject matter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. click the subscribe button below.